Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have some new Gourmande Girls lipsticks to swatch out for you guys today. I've actually had these, I hate to say it, for like a couple weeks now. I just never got a chance to film with them, and that's okay because I think Gourmande Girls didn't release these or do the official reveal. I think it was last week, so I'm okay. I knew I was going to get around to this video, and here we are. So these lipsticks are in collaboration with a fellow YouTuber, fellow content creator. Her name is Clara Barrera, and I will have her channel linked in the description box of today's video, as well as her Instagram. So each lipstick retails for $14 on the Gourmande Girls website, and you can use my code Steff to take 10% off of your order. This is going to be my first time trying Gourmande Girls lip products, so I'm really excited for this. In case you are wondering what is on my eyes, I've had this makeup on all day long. I'm just getting back from work, but I went in with the Viseart Petite Matte Dark Palette. This is what it looks like, and I focused mainly on these 4 shades right here. And then I am wearing the new Gourmande Girls Ethereal Palette. That's all the sparkly goodness you see on my eyes. I'm using this shade and this shade on the top, this shade in the inner corner, and this shade a little bit on the inner corner of the lower lash line. So unfortunately I wasn't able to film it, but I will have everything that I'm wearing linked and listed in the description box of today's video. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. And if it is your first time here on my channel, welcome to everyone. Happy to have all of you here. My name is Steff. This is what I love to do. I love trying out new makeup. So you're always going to see the latest and greatest in makeup reviews. I do a lot of indie makeup looks as well. I try a lot of indie makeup, and I just cover all brands from drugstore to high-end, a little bit of luxury here and there. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos. All of that sounds great to you, and you want to see my videos on pretty much a daily basis because I do tend to upload quite a bit. Do me a favor and click on the subscribe button, and also hit the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I do upload a new video. And if you like what you see, if you're a fan of Gourmande Girls or just a good old-fashioned lip swatching video, give this video a thumbs up before you go. I'm gonna play some music for you guys. I'm gonna take off the lipstick I'm wearing. This is not a Gourmande Girls one, it is a Wet n Wild one. I'm gonna get my lips ready. We're gonna start swatching these 8 lipstick shades out, and then I will come back on and I will give you guys my final thoughts. I'll let you know what my favorite shades are, and we'll wrap up today's video. If you guys want to see these new Gourmande Girls lipsticks in action, keep on watching. Alright guys, so those are all 8 of the new Gourmande Girls lipstick swatch. This is a creamy matte formula, and guys, it almost doesn't even feel like a matte. Like, it really is a very creamy, very wearable formula. Like, it doesn't feel tacky or sticky. Obviously, this is the first time I'm wearing them, so I cannot speak to the longevity of them, but I really do like this formula. It's a very comfortable formula, and for swatching all 8 lipsticks back to back, my lips feel really great. I do want to mention that these lipsticks are vegan, paraben-free, as well as cruelty-free. They're infused with vitamin C, vitamin E, and aloe to keep lips looking their best all day long. With these 8 beautiful shades, your lips are definitely going to look their best, and they do retail for $14 each on the Gourmande Girls website. You can use my code Steff to take 10% off of your order, anything on the Gourmande Girls website. And I did receive these in PR. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning, but Christina, the owner, was kind enough to send these to me. I think this is a beautiful collaboration with fellow content creator Clara Barrera. So congratulations to Clara, congratulations to Christina and Gourmande Girls. I love these. I think they're really nice. The only minor gripe, I guess I'll say, and this really doesn't bother me, but I know it might bother some of you. This is a glitter bullet. It's a glitter bullet, and it doesn't, like, you can't feel the glitter. It's pretty, there is some texture to it, but it's not like glitter texture. It's just, you know, I can't describe it, like a plastic texture. A little bit does come off, and I mean like a speck or two. It's nothing that's going to just get everywhere. It's nothing like wearing pressed glitters, let me put it that way. But if you are sensitive to glitter, just be mindful of that. Maybe just wipe it down before you throw it in your handbag or your pocket or whatever. But I do like the silver with the gold accent. I think that's really pretty, and it does say Gourmande Girls right here. So my top 3 colors, after swatching them, the first one that I really liked was this shade right here. This shade is called Cafecito. Perfect name for this lipstick. A very nice neutral brown, more of like a, I think, a slight yellow tone brown shade. The next one that I really liked is called Orchid. This is a beautiful, like, purple fuchsia shade. Just really pretty. I think both of these shades can definitely go for year round. And then rounding off the top 3 is this one right here. This one is called Vino. If you're looking for a new fall lipstick, maybe you need an updated lipstick from last fall, this is a beautiful shade. This can also be worn year round, but this is truly the color of red wine. I really like it. Vino, Orchid, and Cafecito. Those are my 3 favorites. I actually think they did a great job with all of the shades. The one I'll say is really unique, and I'm not too sure if I like the way it necessarily looks on me, but I know it's gonna look great on a lot of you, is this shade right here. This is a very light peachy pink shade. I think it's more on the peach side. This one is called Alyssa. So this one was really pretty. I don't know how much wear I'm gonna get out of this particular shade, but I know on some of you, this is like exactly what you've been looking for. Let me know your thoughts now, guys. After I swatched all 8 of these lipsticks out, let me know which lippy was your favorite. Are you going to be picking some of these up? Are you going to pass? Don't forget to use my code Steff to save a little bit of money if you do decide to order anything from Gourmande Girls, and just let me know what your favorite shade was. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.